So, hey besties, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be exploring how to make about $65 per day on Facebook. Now, this is not one of those videos where you have to watch videos or watch ads for you to make about $1 at the end of the day. This video has the potential of turning you into a successful entrepreneur. If you're new on this space, my name is Christina and I create content on social media management, passive income, and how to make money online in 2023 and beyond. Now, if this resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, share my videos, and drop a comment in the comment section. Now, let's get right into this video. Facebook is a platform with about 1 billion people or 800 million people every day coming online, trying to do something online, chatting with their families online. Facebook is the best place for you to start a business without a capital. Now, something about Facebook that sets it apart from every other platform is that Facebook has the potential for customers to search for the content they are looking for. So if I'm looking for a particular item on Facebook, I just have to type it into the search box and it's going to bring me different people, different content on that particular search term that I have imputed into the search box. So it can search for you. So it doesn't mean that you're just going to bump into a random item and you're going to say, okay, I might need this in the future, and you save it. Facebook, you are searching for what you actually need. So when people search for your product and you pop up, that is how you make money on Facebook. Now, before we go into all of this on how to make that $65 on Facebook per day, there are some things that you need to put in place first. The first thing you need to do is to look for an e-commerce platform that will deliver when you ask them to. So what I do is sometimes I go onto this platform and I use AliExpress. So I go onto this Facebook platform and I just check what people have interest in. Now, for this video, we're going to be exploring the beauty, skincare, and hair business. We are going to go on to AliExpress right about now, and you're going to see the prices that it is being sold on AliExpress compared to the prices that they are being sold on Facebook. So you're going to see how much you will make at the end of the day. So it's not all bluff and all telling you that you're going to make this money while you don't even find out how you can make it. Let's go on to AliExpress and Facebook.com now for you to see the difference in prices and how much you stand to make as profit when you do the sales.
Hey bestie, so this is the Facebook marketplace and you can see various items and the prices, and these items are posted here based on categories. Some of them are usually kids wear, household items and things like that. So if you want to post, you can just come here and click on one of your category. After clicking on your category, you can put in the pictures and the information, but I'm not trying to post, so I will search for an item. And yeah, I'm searching for an eyelash, and you can see the prices. There are some for 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So I will go on to AliExpress and I'm going to type in eyelash. Let's see the prices here. The price here is like unbelievable. We have 400 naira, like 400 naira, and you can see that this person has made lots of sales. You can pick up the pictures, download the pictures, save the description of each of the items. So this is 400 naira, something that was sold for 3,005 and 4,000 naira on Facebook Marketplace. So the return on investment on this eyelash alone is like very, very massive. So now, after checking out the pictures, and it's also good for you to read reviews from your country. So I will check another brand, and this other brand is also selling for 411 naira. 411 naira for eyelash. So now we are back to the Facebook marketplace and we are going to type in another item, contact lens. So let's see the prices. So here we have 5,000, 3,000, 4,005, and so on. So we are going to go over to AliExpress now. Let's see the difference in prices and how much this is going to be sold for. So on AliExpress, I also typed out contact lens. Let's see how much it will go for. And for this, I'm saying 400. 400, like really 400 again. And I don't want to jump into conclusions because it's very, very surprising that this will go for 400. So let's try and read reviews. And surprisingly, Nigerians have bought this same item. So you can see that this is Nigerian people that have purchased, and people are obviously showing their faces and how it looked on them after they had purchased. And this is a very good buy, if I must say. So another item I want to search for is makeup brush. So it's showing me different prices. There are some for 1,005, but it's just difference in quality and quantity. So something I like to do now, I will take a screenshot because I want to look for exactly this brush on AliExpress. So once I take a screenshot, I'll go onto AliExpress right now. And when I come onto AliExpress, it's going to like I'm going to click that camera sign and just try to upload this picture, and voila, it has brought out the exact replica of those items. And surprisingly, something that is going for 5,000 in the marketplace. Here I can see that this one is 1,500 and it has reviews from even Nigerians, and this is a very, very good buy. So sometimes you can just take up pictures of item you like and just upload them and see what comes up later.
So something I highly recommend is when you go onto AliExpress and you're getting all these items, you're writing them down, or any other e-commerce platform, I always advise that you save them on that platform so that you can easily access them whenever someone wants to buy from Facebook. So once you've identified these items, save the videos, save the pictures, make sure that you are saving high quality pictures and videos so that it's going to be catchy and people can easily see what they want to buy. Also save the description so you don't have to go into copywriting and trying to write out the description of the item or why people should buy. So just go onto that platform the way I did it in the video that I showed you just now. Just copy out all the description and save them on your phone. You can save them on your notebook, or you can create a WordPress where you can save them, or anywhere you want to save them. Just save them up so that you can easily copy and paste when you are ready. Now, it's not just about going to Facebook, because when you go to Facebook, there are thousands of people on Facebook, but does it mean that where do you actually sell on Facebook? Where you sell on Facebook is the Facebook Marketplace. Now, that thing I showed you was not just Facebook.com, it was Facebook Marketplace. And on this platform, you can see that people are making money selling items through drop shipping. Now, something I always tell people is that when you're doing drop shipping, when you get a client, let them know that they're not going to get the item immediately so that you don't create like a false impression, or you give them a false narrative about your sales procedure. So you have to tell them that okay, this is drop shipping and in 1 week time you're going to get this item. And also I always tell people, make sure that the AliExpress platform can always deliver at the time that you tell your client that they're going to get their items. So if I go onto AliExpress and I pick item and I tell them I want this to be delivered in a week, is it possible? And they say yes. So I'm going to go on to Facebook Marketplace and I'm going to paste that I'm selling this, I'm selling that, and you can get it in 1 week time. So when people are coming to you, they don't have this impression that you're going to deliver that same day. They have the knowledge that okay, in a few days I'm going to get my items. And so you just reduce any form of accusations or any form of false narrative that was going to be created in their heads about your brand. Now, using this Facebook Marketplace is one of the easiest ways to do anything, because you're not even buying anything to keep. You're doing drop shipping and you already have the pictures, you have the videos, you have the description. So what you just have to do is copy and paste. So something I highly recommend is for you to always reduce your prices. Now, call me a bad business lady, I don't care, as long as I'm making my money. So when I go onto this marketplace and I see that okay, contact lens or wigs are selling for about 15,000 naira, and I go onto AliExpress and I see that on AliExpress I can get these same items for 7,000. Now instead of me selling for 15,000, I'm going to sell for about 13,000, reducing the price on the Facebook Marketplace, and that will put me at the top of any customer's list. So when a customer comes and they see that others are selling for 15,000 and I am selling for 13,000, they are obviously going to go with me. So this is a tip that I always use anytime and every time. It is a simple business tip that is going to take you from 0 to 100. Now, this business is for people who do not have capital. Now, if you don't have money, or if you're trying to look for capital for you to start up a business and it's proving like kind of abortive and you don't know where to start, for this business, you don't need any capital. What you just need is your smartphone and your smartphone alone. And this smartphone is going to make you lots of money if you're very strategic about what you want to do. Also, something that I recommend is don't just post on the marketplace and relax. Take it a top notch and try and do some marketing. So when you've posted that on Facebook marketplace, you can go ahead and post it on your WhatsApp. You can post the links to different groups that you're in, and people can see that, oh, this item is available, and anyone that needs it from that group can easily click on that link and access whatever you've posted. So don't just relax after posting on the marketplace. If you want to make more sales, because there are thousands of people on that platform already, what you need to do is to create marketing around your item. You can run ads for that item and just watch your products blow up. We have come to the end of today's video. I hope that you learned a lot. I hope you're on your way to becoming a successful business person without stressing yourself or breaking the bank or looking for capital. You're just ready for you to make some money. Now, if the video resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel. I need those subscriptions. Let's take a minute for you guys to subscribe to my channel. Yes, I know you subscribe. I know you've liked my comments. I know you've dropped a comment in the description box. I know you've shared to your friends, because you're my bestie, and this is something that you will have to do if you want to see my video next time I drop any video like this. Until next time, bye.